I really felt like I can be myself and express myself and be the best I could as an educator.
I wanted to enter the classroom feeling like I'm really prepared to produce the best outcomes for my students. My favorite part of the program is the balance between really high quality courses from terrific faculty while also getting a lot of hands-on experience in the classroom.
Sustaining that connection between people and between myself and others is why I want to be a teacher. That has been affirmed in my time in the master's program at the University of Virginia.
To our prospective students, this is really about an investment in you. What we're really trying to do is to produce some amazing teachers who are going to go out into the world and change it.
So those who are applying to this program, I would say go for it. It's definitely challenging and rigorous, but it is incredibly rewarding. You will be surrounded by the community and the professors who really care about you and the education. And through that, you'll learn so much, not just about teaching, but also about yourself.
I took my professional development as an incoming educator very, very seriously, and I feel like I've received so much support from UVA in return.